A lot of rain here at midday in the Richmond area. Any severe weather is over to our east right now. There's a live look through our tower cam down Broad Street toward VCU and downtown. You can see the raindrops there on the lens and falling as well. Update to the tornado watch. It's been dropped back to the west. This part of the watch that includes the Richmond area still goes until 2 o'clock. A new watch has been issued until 6 o'clock for the Northern Neck, Middle Peninsula, and Hampton Road. So what is effect in the Richmond area does not go until 6. It goes until 2 o'clock, and the rest of this has been trimmed off. I expect this to be trimmed off as well, canceled early. And there's already been a lot of damage from this storm system. In particular, back here in Bedford County, I want to show you the storm report from this. All right, they're calling it catastrophic damage. 20 homes, at least 20 homes have suffered significant damage. Trees have been uprooted. There have been 3 injuries as well. So right now it's just being called a wind damage report. It's likely a tornado moved through that area. We'll go about and survey that to see if that is in fact the case. Quite a few funnel cloud and tornado reports across parts of west central North Carolina as well. So this storm system really leaving its mark, not just in North Carolina, but now into Virginia as well. For more on what's on radar and what to expect through the weekend, let's go over to meteorologist Mike Stone. Mike.
Thanks a lot, Zach. Well, across our area right now, we continue to watch showers and thunderstorms. The main storm system, you can see the spin out here near Cincinnati. That's going to be here later on today. You notice ahead of it, we have these little spokes of energy, these lines of showers and thunderstorms. We have this one, which is now tracked east of I-95, and that has been the main event we've been watching. This was the one that was responsible for producing 2 tornado warnings across the metro and just west of I-95. This is all just heavy rain, not even any thunder and lightning. Have had some severe thunderstorm warnings in our far northern counties. That activity is now moving into Maryland. Still some heavy rain, though. This is a severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect just east of Richmond. It's been kind of extended up here to the north and east, King William, King and Queen counties. It's for this cell here, which is moving into the King William area. Also some of this heavy rain up by Tappahannock and Miller's Tavern. In some of these cells, we may get some wind gusts over 58 miles an hour. Some heavy rain here over by Toano down towards Williamsburg and Jamestown. Some heavy rain eastern Charles City County. And we had a new severe thunderstorm warning just issued just a few moments ago during the commercial. That is for southeastern Greensville County and moving up throughout parts of Sussex County as well. That goes until 1 o'clock. But for a lot of us, this is all rain with some embedded thunder. The severe activity now is well east of I-95. Temperature in Richmond before the rain came through, 81 degrees. It dropped like a rock, 66, and we actually had a wind gust of 58 miles an hour before noontime out at the airport. So we get this one line here moving off towards the east. There will likely be some more showers and thunderstorms later on this afternoon into this evening. The atmosphere now has been pretty worked over, so this may not end up being severe, but we may get some more pockets of heavy rain, and we'll have at least a threat for some more showers and thunderstorms this evening in the first part of the overnight. This moves out just in time for Saturday, while there may be a pop-up shower at some point during the day. Most of us will stay dry with a mix of clouds and sunshine. So for today, the rest of the day, the main impact will be heavy rainfall, but some of these storms, especially east for the next couple of hours, some strong winds and some large hail. Tornado threat is low, but it's not zero. So something we're going to have to keep an eye on for you. And in fact, all of central and eastern Virginia is still in some kind of tornado risk, so something we'll keep an eye on. For today, though, we've reached our high. We'll spend the rest of the day in the 60s and 70s. Tomorrow, very light rain chance, 82, 85 on Sunday, 90 on Memorial Day. And then after that, 3 more days in the 90s. We look for a cold front late Thursday, and that should bring in some cooler weather for the end of the week.